very important that you go and make sure that the website is optimized for search engines like Google, Safari, Edge, Firefox, etc. Access the SEO settings for your entire website by going to the CMS dashboard and then in the bottom, Project Settings. The first option you get from the toolbar at the top is SEO. Here you'll add your site title, a description, a favicon, as well as a Webclip for iPhone users who save a website link to their home screen. In most cases, you will leave the search engine visibility on, but you have the option to switch it off. Apart from the SEO that covers the whole site, you can also focus on a page by page. Go to Pages, click on the page, and you will see SEO appears at the top. Here you can add an additional SEO title as well as a description, and again the option to exclude it from search engine visibility.